Hello everybody, my name is Tanvi and welcome to my channel, the HowStation. So guys, since monsoon is here, I wanted to do something related to that, and what better than using the color blue for a monsoon related theme or makeup. So I've come up with these amazing blue smoky eyes. They're very easy to do and I'm so excited to share the look with you guys. So without wasting any more time, let's begin with the video. So as usual, I'm going to begin with my eyes first. So I'm going to apply some concealer on my eyelids to prime them for the eyeshadows, and I'm going to blend in the concealer really well into my eyelids. After I'm done blending the concealer, I'm going to apply some compact powder to create a flawless base for my eyeshadows. For the eyeshadows, first on my blending brush, I'm going to pick up a brown shadow and apply that in my crease as a transition shade. Once I'm happy with the transition shade, I am going to take a dark blue shadow and I'm going to place it just below the brown shadow to create some depth on my eyelid. I'm also going to wing it a little bit in the outer corner of my eye. After that, I am going to pick up some black eyeshadow and apply that in the outer V of my eyelid to create some depth. And then I'm going to take a nice blue eyeshadow. This is the shade Skylight from Makeup Revolution Fortune Favors the Brave palette. I'm going to apply it with my fingertips so that the color is nice and intense. Once I'm done applying the shadow on my eyelids, I'm going to blend all the shadows together with my blending brush. My eyes are halfway done, and now I'll just clean up the outer corners and the mess below my eyes, and I'll be right back. So I'm back after cleaning up the mess and my eyes look much sharper. And now I'm going to begin with my face, for which first I'm applying a primer. And then I'm going to go in with a thin layer of foundation. After the foundation is blended into my skin, I'm going to apply some concealer just under my eyes to brighten them a little bit. And then to set everything in place, I am going to use some compact powder. Then for my lower lash line, I am going to first fill in my waterline with a turquoise colored eye pencil. And then I'm going to apply the dark blue on the lower lash line and some black on the outer corner of the lower lash line, connecting it with the upper outer corner of my eyelid. And then I'm going to highlight all the high points of my face. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. And lastly, I'm going to apply highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes and my brow bone. Next, time to apply some blush on my cheeks to make them blush. And last but not the least, lipstick, for which first I'm going to fill in my lips with a nude liner pencil and then apply a nude lipstick, but somehow this lip color just washes me out, so I'm going to apply a pinkish lip gloss on my lips, and that's it. That completes the look. So guys, that was how I did these blue smoky eyes, which are perfect for the rainy season or any season for that matter. And yeah, I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. I hope that you all try this look out, and that's it for today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a great day, take care of yourselves, and goodbye.